Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. This is Incheon Airport. I'm leaving Korea at last, and I gonna do unboxing after this vlog. I pick up something from duty free shop, and also I stopped by this Hermes store, and I scored a bag. I was so lucky. I'm so happy. There are so many brands here, so if you are interested in other brand, check it out. The Chanel store in Terminal 1 is under the renovation, but if you go to Terminal 2, there is a Chanel store open. Oh my god, there's Korean soju you can get from airport. And I got this before I leave. So I transferred at Vancouver airport. There are so many shops. You can see even Hermes store. If you have a chance, check it out. There were so many artwork all over, so it looks like it's like museum or gallery. I loved it. I got a Godiva chocolate and the maple syrup. Hi guys, I got the unboxing now. Before I do unboxing, I can talk about the Incheon Airport duty free shop. When you go to Incheon Airport, there is a Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. If you wanna shop like let's say Hermes and Chanel, you need to go to Terminal 2. I was taking Air Canada, which was Terminal 1, so I actually couldn't go to Chanel in airport. Chanel was under the renovation. I couldn't shop in Chanel in airport, but I could shop local duty free shop in Seoul. But I could make it to go to Hermes store. I couldn't expect I gonna get a bag there, but I got a bag and also another one. Another one is not from the airport, but I picked up. Yeah, because I shopped local duty free shop in Seoul. Let's get started. So I didn't take the box because box is too bulky, so I didn't want to take it. So this one is, yeah, because I don't have box, you can see right away. It's okay, right? Yeah. So this is shoes on Hermes website. You can see this shoe. It's a kind of new style. So let me open. This is gold color. The sandal name is Divis sandal. On the homepage website, you can see the white color, black color, and red color. I don't see the gold color in USA website, but yeah, I got this one and I really like because it looks so classic and it's like a opposite age of orange sandal, right? So it's funny. So I wanted to try a little bit different style, but almost similar to orange sandal. Yeah, but it covers more your foot, so I think this is okay till late summer or till fall season. Sole is black color and this is calfskin, and on the top when you see this one has a little bit of sheen, right? But this one doesn't have. This is goat skin. Yeah, I haven't seen goat skin sandal. It looks very like, I don't know, light. It looks smooth. Yeah, but I like it. Yeah, so I wanted to try this style, so I got it. And it was new style. I couldn't believe there is new style in duty free shop as well. And the price was pretty much the same. Yeah, but without tax. So usually I wear 38 or 37 and a half, but it was pretty big, it's not fit, so I got 37. So yeah, for your information, the size, you can go one down or half down, I would say. Now let's do unboxing of the bag. Before I go to Korea, you know, I got Birkin 25 in black. I was like not thinking about buying bag while I'm traveling because, you know, I have enough bag for now, so I didn't expect. So till the end of the trip, I didn't even try to look at any bag in Korea. That's why I didn't go to like Hermes, Chanel, like local boutique. I got this one in Incheon Airport duty free shop. You can see the shape. You can guess if you know, yeah, about this bag. You can easily guess. Yes, it's picotin. The size is PM size, which is 18. You know, I don't have picotin yet, and I ordered one picotin through my SA in Beverly Hills branch, but it's been like 3-4 months. I really didn't mind, and I didn't think about getting this bag, but anyway, let me open first. So the color is, so far I got neutral colors like black or gold, but this one is a little bit bold color for me. First time I tried, a little bit bold color. So I was like, but when I see it was so beautiful. I was just like, I need to get this. And then another person was looking at my bag and, is that picotin? Small size? I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get it. I was like that. So yeah, I didn't really think about hardware, leather. So this is a little bit unique leather. Yeah, I would say. It's not like I haven't seen. It's the first time I buy this leather. This is, yeah, red color. So I am not sure I remember the color name right. But as I remember, it's a rouge piment. Yeah, rouge piment color. It's real like true red color. I love it. I never thought I gonna get, in this color. Especially picotin, but I heard picotin small size, many people go for very bold color or bright color. So I think I made good choice. And the hardware is gold. So this gold really goes well with this true red color, rouge piment. I love it. It's so pretty in rear. Let me take this out. And there is key, I guess. Picotin is very like smooth shape, very feminine shape. I think you can put your, arm well, better than Birkin 25 for sure. So it can be pretty much everyday bag, I guess. Yeah. And this is a little bit bold color, but pretty much goes well with any outfit, I hope. So yeah, we'll see. So let me take this strap out. So as I know, this is for closing the bag. Strap is for closing the bag. And inside, as you can see, it's unlined. It's like same color, unlined. Hermes logo, made in France. Like this. This strap, when you close, you can just put like this. Oh my god, so pretty. So I closed, just like this, 4 feet, gold plated hardware. I see many people put the lock here. I think it looks much better. So yeah, let me put the lock. It's like almost a back charm, I feel like. Yeah, there's a key and the lock. Yeah, as you know, the key and lock should have the same number. It matches, you can open. So the number matches. I open. And I'm gonna put right here. So you can close like this. Silver tone palladium. I do not like it because gold matches better in red. Gold makes the red color more rich. And I wanna talk about the leather. So I need to compare with my Evelyn. This is like pastel, like kind of neutral tone. So far, I have only neutral tone bags, but this one is like really bold, but it's so rich. I love this true red color. As you can see, leather is Clemence, and you can see the grain is kind of big, right? And it's very soft. But picotin leather has smaller grain. Clemence is very soft. This leather is very structured. This leather is Maurice leather, and I haven't seen Maurice leather. It's also cowhide, but it has smaller grain, so it has more structured look. Mostly picotin is made of Clemence, but this one was a little bit unique leather, so I loved it, and that's why it's a little bit more expensive. So usually, if you buy picotin bag in Clemence, it's 2,500 around that, but this one was a little bit more expensive, like 300 more expensive. So it was like 2,900 in duty free shop. So I was like hesitating at the first time because I thought it's gonna be like, the price I was thinking, but it was a little more than that. But I think it's worth for the shape. I think it is perfect leather for the picotin. I think it's really rare leather and perfect for picotin. There are so many kind of red color, as I know. Rouge Kazakh, which is like deeper, like darker red color, as I know. I really like that color as well, but that's more like for the winter and the fall season only. But this is like true red color. It's a little bit brighter than Kazakh. It's pretty good in all season. So I can even start to use from now, even summertime. So I really like it. And there is like a rouge tomato. Rouge tomato is like more lighter color, rare tomato color, but yeah, I think I prefer this color. Also, there was a Rouge de Guerre, almost similar to this one. Yeah, I would get that one. I think it's gonna be pretty similar to Rouge Piment color. Shopping in airport is always fun, right? So I was so lucky. Hope you enjoyed my shopping vlog in airport and unboxing. If you like any fashion vlog, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Next time I'm gonna do Chanel unboxing, so wait for it. See you soon. Okay, bye bye.